Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a inexpensive coffee bar for the fall. So pretty much all my items here and here are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you the trays that I have been using. This particular tray I purchased from Dollar Tree about 3 or 4 months ago. Chick on the Cheap had hauled these, and I had to go to a few Dollar Trees to find them. It looks really good to me with the theme that I have going for my fall coffee bar this year. So I have this particular tray, and also this DIY tray is the marble tray itself too. And pretty much you do not have to spend a lot when you're trying to do a coffee bar. This year is the first year I've actually done a fall coffee bar. I always do a Christmas coffee bar, and I try to do one like in the spring and summertime, but this is my first time doing a fall one, if you can believe that. I actually keep my summer coffee bar pretty much all the way up to about October, and by the time October comes in, I have already been started on my Christmas decor, like my Christmas DIYs and you know, all that good stuff. So this is my first official fall coffee bar video, and I've really just been in the fall mood real early this year. I've been enjoying everything, and I'm just going to give you tips, hints, things that you could do to give your coffee bar a hint of fall without breaking the bank. So pretty much, I've already had these 2 containers right here. These containers are always on my coffee bar year round. This one right here, I have sugar in. This one right here has coffee in it right here. I do K-cups, and I also do the regular coffee grounds. Also, sometimes I like both. I have days where I go shopping and you cannot always find the K-cups because I like certain types of blends of coffee. And sometimes in the blend that I like, I cannot always find it in K-cup. So I'll buy the regular ground coffee. So I pretty much just set up my coffee area, self-serve area like this, and I have my honey right here. I generally always use the raw honey, the 100% honey, because that's the honey that's best for you. There's no additives in there, and I generally use that honey for my teas. That goes in my teas. And this little container is a new container that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It's really cute, and in this container I have some pumpkin spice seasoning. So I have pumpkin spice seasoning inside of this container right here. This is the first year that I've ever used pumpkin spice for my coffee bar. I was looking at Chick on the Cheap. I love Chick on the Cheap, and I noticed that she actually used pumpkin spice, the actual spice itself, for an actual item to put in coffee, hot chocolates, different drinks at her coffee bar. So I was just like, oh my God, that is a great idea, because I'm the type that I'm not really big on a lot of flavored coffees, but I like a hint of flavor, and I don't really like my coffee to be real strong with that flavor. So I said to myself that if I get the pumpkin spice seasoning that I saw on Chick on the Cheap's channel, then I can add how much flavoring I would like to put in my coffee so that the flavor won't be really strong, because I don't really like the flavor to be strong. So I purchased this here at Dollar Tree. It's very cheap. They had a great supply of it. And I also purchased the pumpkin spice syrup. I wanted to try that. I've never tried the syrup before, so this will be something new for me. Okay, and I also purchased 2 of these cute little coffee mugs from Dollar Tree. They had a lot of orange coffee mugs. They had saucers. They also had plates and bowls that was orange. I'm gonna move this one right here to the side so you can see my other one closer. They had a lot. There we go. They had a lot of these cups, and one of them I actually used my Cricut Joy to put a cute little monogram on it. This one says coffee and chill. I thought that was real cute. The other one I didn't do anything on. I just left that one plain. But that one was my statement piece. And I also did this on my Cricut Joy also. This one right here, I want you to be able to see it. Let me see if I can, yeah, put it down. And it says, y'all can see it good. It says, coffee bar, please serve yourself. It's real cute. I added the little buffalo check bow, and it was a little clip that was initially on this particular sign itself, but I took it off and added a bow, and it says coffee bar, serve yourself. And I also put some cute little pumpkins right here to the side. These pumpkins came in a bag of like 8 or 9 or something like that from Dollar Tree. This is a find that I was able to get last fall. That was a last fall buy. And I also had this cute pumpkin right here. This pumpkin came from Dollar General last year. No, not last year. Year before last. It came from Dollar General. And inside this cute pumpkin, I have all my teas being stored. I love teas. I have my chamomile. I also have my immunity tea for the season. And I also have some lemon ginger tea that's very good for your body and to help fight off different viruses and infections and stuff like that. It's very good for you. And I've been keeping my teas right here, my little pumpkin. It looks so festive. And I didn't really want to go over the top with my orange, because throughout my house I have like a bit of orange, a little bit of sunflower, and I didn't really want to overdo it for my coffee bar, so I try to leave it kind of subtle. Right here in the corner I wanted to put a little greenery right here to make the gray pop. And to me, that's just my opinion, all coffee bars, any decor area to me should always have a little bit of greenery. That's just me. And this is one of my DIY stands that I made right here. And I have my mirror on top to give it a real cute little look. And that's the actual stand that the this little lantern is sitting on. And this is a DIY lantern itself. I want to show you exactly what I use to create this stand and to create my other stand in the back. These are cute little mini glasses that a lot of people use, like, take the glare off of it, it's a strong glare, that a lot of people use for like weddings and parties. And I use these to create my legs, and it makes great legs for just about anything you want to use to create for DIYs. That's what I use, and I just want to share it with all of you. It's just, I love the fact that I was able to do a fall bar this year. I just felt so inspired. And I'm gonna sit that there, put my other little stand back. And I did this also with those little mini glasses. Yes, I saw that done on Chick on the Cheap. Told y'all I love Chick on the Cheap. I watch her quite often, and she did her DIY a little bit different than mine. I use totally different trays than what she used, but I love the fact that she used these, and I had some already. I think she used clear, and I ended up using black, but I love that idea, and I said that it's too cute. I think I'm going to try that for my coffee bar this year for the fall coffee bar. My Christmas coffee bar is going to be totally different. I change my coffee bars up quite often, so you will see something totally different for Christmas. So this is what it looks like right now for the fall. I've really been enjoying the season. Thank you so much for tuning in. I just want to share my little creative coffee bar idea with all of you. And also, before I leave, if you like videos like these, like I always say, my name is Tay of Uniquely Tay. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. And I'm just so excited about this upcoming fall season, everybody. It's so exciting. And let me know in the comments if any of you have done a fall coffee bar, because I would love to see your creativity, your ideas. And this is pretty much what I have done for this season right here, and I love it. And thank you so much for tuning in. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.